What's going on, guys? We are finally back with another video. It's tough to get out in Vancouver now because it's winter, in it.
Freezing on it.
As you can see from the title of the video, we got the Honda Fit here and we're going to be cleaning the seats. It's been something I've been meaning to do since I bought the car. I'll show you really quick. Don't mind the mess, guys. It's middle of winter here, so I did vacuum the car when I first bought it. That was the only time I basically cleaned the interior. And this is one of the things that I hate about cloth seats. Is kind of just picks up like hair, dirt, and like crumbs and stuff. Yeah, and I think the previous owner kind of spilled something here. As you can see, hopefully once I finish cleaning it, this will be gone. But yeah, maybe seeing what we can do here. And a little before. This is what we're working with. This general purpose cleaner. I bought this along with this brush and a bunch of other stuff from just a detailer that was getting rid of all of his inventory. Never gonna use it anyway, so I might as well just test it out on this one. But first, we're gonna vacuum up all the crumbs and shit. So get started, and then kind of saturate the seats with this stuff, and then hit it with this brush. Alrighty, vacuumed as much as I could. I'm just gonna spray this stuff, let it dwell for about 30 seconds, and then hit it with that brush slash drill combo, and then just mop it up with the microfiber towel. So yeah, let's do it. Know how this works. Yeah, just let it sit for a bit and then hit it with the brush. Alright, been about 30 seconds. Got the brush. Let's go to town. I'm just gonna do half. The seats are black, but you can't really tell the difference between the done side and not done side. Probably be easier to tell if the seats were like cream or something. But yeah, I'm just gonna hit the other side with the brush, and then maybe do this, the backs, and then move on to the driver's side. I don't think the back needs, can't see, but I don't think the back needs too much work. But yeah, let's get to it. So, of course, after I mentioned what a nice day it was, sunny, after about 20-30 minutes, it's cloudy, and we got rain that wasn't supposed to be on the forecast. So yeah, that's why it's dark as hell in here. But let's continue. Alrighty, all done. It's still a bit damp here, but yeah, I got a game in about, I think, a few hours now, like 5-6 hours. I was hoping it was gonna stay sunny, which the forecast said it was gonna be sunny all day, but yeah, it was gonna let the car sit in the sun and dry, but now it's kind of dark and cloudy. Gonna ruin my plan, so hopefully it'll dry off by the time I have to drive it again. But yeah, it's not too bad. Nice, and well, the stain here is gone. That's all I was hoping to do. But yeah, I'll check back in a couple hours, see what it looks like then once it's dry. Oh, here it is. Mostly dry, I think. I might have to hit it one more time just to be sure, or super clean. But yeah, this stain that was here before is gone. I don't know, this looks more dirty than it actually is. Maybe because it's still kind of wet. It's kind of damp here. It's been raining for like a week, a couple weeks straight, but yeah, it looks dirtier than it actually is. It is kind of still damp. This is like 3 days after, or pretty clean, I guess, for 10 minutes of work. Probably look more clean if I spent a little more time on it. So there you have it. Just a quick little video just to show what you can achieve without having an extractor and just a brush and a cordless drill. Yeah. So until next time, see you guys later.